Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a center line, focusing on the precise, safe, and medically approved method. Removing a central line is a sterile procedure that must be performed by trained healthcare professionals. Adhering to proper technique is absolutely crucial to prevent potential complications, such as an air embolism or infection. Before beginning, always verify the physician's order for removal and confirm the patient's identity using two identifiers. Preparation is key for a safe central line removal. First, gather a sterile central line removal kit and all other necessary supplies. Next, position the patient appropriately. Typically, this means lying flat or in a slight head-down or Trendelenburg position to reduce the risk of air entering the bloodstream. If the line is in the femoral area, the patient should lie flat. Ensure all infusions are stopped and tubing is disconnected. Finally, thoroughly cleanse the insertion site with an antiseptic solution for at least 60 seconds. Now, let's walk through the removal process. Begin by carefully removing any old dressings and cutting all anchoring sutures, ensuring none are left behind. Instruct the patient to perform the Valsalva maneuver, which involves taking a deep breath, exhaling halfway and holding it, or to hum continuously during withdrawal. Then, gently and steadily withdraw the catheter in one continuous motion. Immediately apply firm, direct pressure to the insertion site for a minimum of 2 to 5 minutes, or until bleeding stops. After the central line is removed, inspect the catheter tip to ensure it is intact and complete. If not, notify the physician immediately. Apply a sterile occlusive dressing, often a gauze with petroleum jelly covered by a transparent film, over the site. It is important to keep the patient lying flat for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to prevent air embolism. Finally, monitor the site closely for 24 to 48 hours for any signs of bleeding, infection, or air embolism. Always follow your facility's specific protocols.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.